a new car is bought for $30,000. It depreciates in value by 5% per annum. What percentage of this value does it have after 1 year? After 1 year, it's lost 5%. So it still has 95%. In part B, we're asked to express this percentage as a decimal. 95% is 0.95 as a decimal. In part C, we want to find the equation which describes the relationship between the value of the car and the number of years of depreciation. So the value is going to be the initial value, then after 1 year we'd multiply that by 0.95. That would give us the value at the end of 1 year. If we want the value at the end of a second year, we'd multiply by 0.5 again. For the third year, 0.5 again, and so on. So after n years, we'd be multiplying by 0.95 to the power n. In part D, we're asked to produce a table of values up to 10 years. Go into Graph and Table. Our formula was 30,000 times 0.95 to the power n. I'm just going to call that x for ease here. Then we want a table of values, so click on this icon. At the moment I've got this going up in 0.01s, I just want it to go up in ones. So in order to do that, click on this button and make the step equal to 1. Then we can see that we have a table of values which goes up as far as 10 years. In fact, it only goes up to 5 at the moment, but clicking on here, I can make this into 10, and then it will go up to 10 years. Now in part E, we want to produce a graph. We can do that from here. Just click back on this to make this the selected window. Then click Graph, and we get a graph in this window. We don't see anything at the moment because of the values I'm using. So click on here. Let's take the x minimum to 0. The x maximum, let's put that to 10. Our table went to 10. Then for the y, let's go from 0 to the original price of the car, which was 30,000. Let's change the scale to being 1,000 and then OK that, and we get the graph. Finally, we want to estimate the value after 7.5 years. Quite a good way of doing this is to click on the graph, go to Analysis, Gsolve, and Y Calculation. It asks us for an x value. Type in 7.5 and click OK, and we get the corresponding y value, which we can see equates to $20,419.65.